submit the same document. They wait for a window often. Sometimes they wait for a connection, or words, ipadulas. They wait not because they want to, but because they've been told. That's just how government works. There has to be a better way. So we ask the question, and then we build the answer. This government established and launched the Eagle Super App. One government, one app, one future in your hand. But before we build it, we did something very important. We studied the best. We look at Estonia, where 99% of government services are online. We examine South Korea, where services is fast, transparent, and consistent. We study Singapore, where you can access your national ID, pay taxes, renew a license, or register a business in a single app. We did not start from scratch. We started with world class. And then we built for the Filipino. This is not a prototype. This is a working platform. More than 1,000 government services already integrated. Let me show you how it works.
The Philippines in one single app. Conveniently access government service online. Avoid long lines, face-to-face, and paper-based transactions. Introducing the Eagle PH Super App. It is the Philippines' first one-stop shop platform for local and national government services that will streamline processes and transactions and bring a total ease of doing business to all Filipinos. E-government priority projects can also be integrated, like job creation, travel, investments, agriculture, and e-commerce. E-government services from both national and local governments can also be featured. The DICT signed Memorandum of Understanding with government agencies. The fast and secure digital process for identity verification without the required physical documents or face-to-face interaction. The verification process is powered by eGov AI with electronic Know Your Customer or eKYC capability. Using the eGov eKYC, a national digital ID can be generated via the Philippine Statistics Authority PhilSys integration. A one-stop shop app feature that allows you to access all national government services, powered by single sign-on. It essentially provides Filipinos with access to an online one-stop shop that offers a variety of LGU services such as applying for clearances, certifications, and permits. In partnership with DOLE, CHED, TESDA, and other agencies, citizens can now build their simple resume to be accessed by local and foreign job providers. In partnership with the DOT and the ILG, information on all tourism spots can be aggregated in a single platform. The DICT is working closely with the TFA, DOT, and the Bureau of Immigration to implement the Philippine e-visa portal for easier entry of tourists into the country. In partnership with the Bureau of Quarantine, Bureau of Immigration, Bureau of Customs, Department of Health, Department of Tourism, and Department of Transportation, multiple outbound and inbound travel declarations and health forms are unified under the Philippine One-Stop Electronic Travel Declaration System. Your feedback plays a crucial role in enhancing governance and fulfilling the government's mandate. Be updated on the current events and developments in the nation with the government app news through the Presidential Communications Office. You can now have your digital PhilSys ID and securely and confidently store your government-issued IDs inside the app. But The EcoPH Super App now comes with exciting new features. The Bago Pilipinas Servicio Hub, EGov AI, and online renewal of your driver's license. What are you waiting for? Download EcoPH now, available in Play Store and in App Store.
So, the Eagle Super App is just one out of the 25 e-government platforms that we developed and launched for the past 2.5 years. 22 out of 25 platforms are now live, and one of them is the Eagle Super App. There were more than 200 million transactions now of the Eagle Super App with 14 million users. All in all, through the 22 platforms, we have more than 500 million e-government transactions as of June 2025. This is a full of government approach. This is actually not just simplification, but automation. Interoperability and integrations is in place, cybersecurity by design, and save a lot of money to government, cost efficiency, and this will entail sustainability and continuity. We also implemented cloud-first policy and one-zone policy to make sure that we're able to simplify a lot of processes in the government. This works. Now, no papers, no fixers, no wasted time. We're proud to say Filipinos love it. EcoPH Super App is the highest rated government app in the Philippines, with an intention of bringing government services closer to the people. And under the hood, we built something as robust as the platform of Estonia, Singapore, and Korea. We're not touching up. We're standing alongside the best. No lies, no fixers, no excuses. Because when you remove the window, you remove the whisper. When you remove the paperwork, you remove the bribe. When you remove the delay, you remove the doubt. This isn't just faster, it's cleaner, safer, fairer. This is for the student in Samar, the vendor in Cavite, the nurse in Doha, the senior in Cotabato. Government in action. This is real-time, secure, audible government service available 24/7. No lunch breaks, no gatekeepers, and this is just at the beginning. The Philippines we've always wanted. We all dream of it. A government that doesn't make people beg, that doesn't make people wait, that doesn't make people feel small. This isn't just a tech upgrade. It's a culture and values upgrade. Allow us to show you what PBBM administration have done for the Philippine people. A legacy. Sa BBM administration, wala nang pila. In accordance and following the directive of our President to remove lines, to remove fixers. No lines, no fixers, no corruption. This is the PBM administration digitalization mandate to all government agencies. The Philippines' first digital national ID was established in this administration. We already have 88 million national IDs with more than 150 million transactions using the digital national ID. The Philippines' first government super app was established 1.5 years ago with more than 14 million users and 200 million transactions as of today. The Philippines' first EcoPH Servicio Hub, located in San Juan, and we intend to establish this nationwide, where people who cannot access online services, they can go to a physical one-stop shop. So EcoPH will have two phases now. First, the virtual one-stop shop using the Eco Super App, and the physical one-stop shop called EcoPH Servicio Hub. The Philippines' first government e-documents. Using the digital national ID, Filipinos don't need to fall in line anymore. You don't need to submit the same document, the same information, the same picture, the same signature, the same identity, so that you can do and transact and avail government services in the comfort of your homes. The Philippines' first government AI platform is already the Eco Super App, where any Filipino, students, professionals can access free the government AI platform where identity AI, translator, AI assistant, speech maker, coder, eKYC, object identifier, and document extractor is already in the super app where all Filipinos can use it for free. Recently, as a testament of the success story of the e-government of the DICT, last June 2025, the United Nations gave a prestigious award to the Philippines, receiving the United Nations e-government award. We jumped from high to very high for the first time in the e-government development index. We also climbed more than 15 places in the EGDI ranking. And we also moved high to very high in online services index, surpassing 31 countries in less than 2 years. The Philippines is one of only 12 countries recognized by United Nations for its notable progress in e-government. Let me show you this tool.
Next.
Pagod at sawa ng pila, ang dami-dami pang mga requirements. Inaalaman mo pa ang dokumento ang kailangan kong dalhin. Ang mundo ang haba ng proseso at kung sino-sinong lalapit ang tao. Sana may one-stop shop na mapupuntahan sa lahat ng kailangan ko. Now we have the e-gov app. Accomplish everything in a snap. Online na ang transactions ng gobyerno. Wala nang face-to-face, a simple and convenient way for faster services any day. Making it easy for every Filipino. Dahil digital na tayo, skip the long lines, go online, e-gov.ph, super app. Download na e-gov.ph super app. Download na e-gov.ph super app. Kung gusto nyo ng easy super bilis transaction, download na e-gov.ph super app. Hindi na kailangan lumabas ang nila, no stress and no hassle pa. Ang dali lang talaga gamitin ng galing-galing. Available na lang yan sa App Store or Google Play Store. Nakalain nyo, tara, download na tayo, again!
This is your government digitalization team under the Department of Information and Communications Technology. This delivers a promise. This brings government home. This changes everything. For us, for our kids, and for the next generations to come. Thank you so much for inviting us. At mabuhay po ang bagong Pilipinas.